Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Al Hakim Official. Wherever you are watching in this world, I hope all of you are fine. Today I'm going to share with you about public speaking. I know many students who are Somali, they don't know how to public speaking when they are speaking. For example, we know mostly we are students and we are Somali, we don't know how to speak and how to speak with freely, without fear. Today I'm giving you few tips that you are going and that you will get for you to advantage and you will stop the fear. Before the speech, first you need to know who you are talking about, or you need to know your audience. That it means, for example, you come to the stage. When you come to the stage, you know who are the audience. For example, they are young, they are old, they are secondary school, they are primary. You must know the audience. The second step is prepare structure. I mean, before you come to the stage, you must know what you are talking about. For example, the topic. If you know the topic and you prepare very well, it will not come with you. It will not come with you fear about. My third tips you practice or rehearsal. Before you come to the stage, when you go to home, you must prepare your lesson and you must prepare your topic. It will give you 5 minutes. You come to the stage, you will prepare, you will make 5 minutes, you will take like that, you will make rehearsal. My 44, anticipate questions. Anticipate questions means think about the audience. For example, when you are talking to the audience, you will ask questions, they will respond for you. During the speech, what do you need? First, you need to start strong. I mean strong. For example, you start the history. When you come to the stage, people you are talking about, first you will start the history. For example, one is about time, you will tell the history. The second one is speak clearly. I mean slow down, anticipate, both for emphasis. You must talk about freely. The third stage, use body language. I mean body language, you know everyone. When you come to a stage, if it's big like this one, like statue, it's not good. You must speak body language. Body language means you use hand, you use your nod. It means like that. 4. Word filter. Word filter, what means you use like that, you know, you use that expression. Mindset tips. Mindset tips, it means, for example, if you try to fear, first you must breathe. Breathe means you say like that, you mean breathe. Secondly, focus on your message. I mean, when you are talking about one topic, don't outside the topic, only focus on what you are talking about to the audience. And lastly, visible success. Visible success means practice yourself doing well and being confident. See you again. Bye bye.